So this is the website making it simple for you to find farms where you can work the fruit. Okay, this FAQs to make your experience. Okay, pretty good. Let's check this functionality. Okay, so tell us where you want to travel. When you want to travel. Okay, let's say I'm traveling for these 3 months. Preferred interests. Okay, so state name, number of farms, and number of interests. Okay. Let's say I have these 4 interests. Features. Okay. Oh, that's good, that's good. Number of interests. So let's say we go to Queensland. Oh, okay. So this focuses it on Queensland. That's good. Oh, so you have your different rating for the farms. Okay. Okay. So I can select a farm. Okay, I have more. Okay. 0 unknown. I'm assuming that this is unknown. The rating is not being given. That's why. That's okay. So can I change this now? Let's see if I can. Okay, so it gives me again for the entire lake. That's good, that's good. Let's check FAQ. Okay, so you have all the information about payments here, your tax here. Okay, so this takes you to a government website. Oh, okay. Standard. That's good. All your working rights. That's okay. Let's check about us. Oh wow. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good for the suggestion page. Okay, cool.